7 things you should never do to a ZZ plant in summer. If you are new to houseplants, you probably want one that is tough and easy to grow. The ZZ plant Zamioculcas zamiofolia, also called the eternity plant, is a great choice. This tropical plant has upright stems and shiny, oval green leaves that look beautiful indoors. It can grow in almost any place, whether in low light, low humidity, or even on an office desk. That is why it has a strong reputation as one of the best plants for beginners. If you want a plant that doesn't need much care, the ZZ plant is perfect. However, remember that it is toxic to both people and pets if eaten. And while it is a hardy plant, you should also learn about the things you should never do to a ZZ plant in summer, so it stays healthy and green all year. Things you should never do to a ZZ plant in summer. 1. Never overwater the plant. ZZ plants grow from thick rhizomes that store water. This makes them drought tolerant, but also very sensitive to overwatering. In summer, people often water more and think the plant is thirsty. Keep in mind that too much water in the soil can cause root rot. Always let the top few inches of soil dry out before watering again. 2. Do not use heavy or non-draining soil. If you are using soil that holds too much moisture, it is a big mistake in summer. Do remember, with the heat, soggy soil quickly turns into a breeding ground for fungus and bacteria. ZZ plants require well-draining soil with perlite or sand mixed in to keep the roots healthy. 3. Avoid placing it near cooling vents or fans. In hot weather, you may run air conditioners or keep fans on. If you place your ZZ plant directly under cold air or strong wind, it can cause stress to the leaves and make them curl or turn yellow. Keep your plant away from direct drafts for steady growth. 4. Never ignore dust on leaves. During summer, dust can collect on the shiny leaves more quickly. If you ignore this, the dust blocks sunlight and slows down photosynthesis. It will be better to gently wipe the leaves with a damp cloth every few weeks to keep them clean and glowing. 5. Do not over-fertilize. Since plants grow faster in summer, many people believe that adding extra fertilizer will be beneficial, but too much fertilizer can burn the roots and damage the plant. ZZ plants only need a light feeding once a month in summer with a balanced, diluted fertilizer. 6. Never repot in extreme heat. Repotting a ZZ plant in the middle of a very hot summer can shock the roots. The plant may stop growing or even drop leaves. If you need to repot, do it in spring or early summer when the weather is milder. 7. Don't expect fast growth overnight. Even in summer, ZZ plants grow slowly compared to other houseplants. Don't get frustrated and try to force growth with extra water or fertilizer. Patience is key. The plant will reward you with steady, healthy leaves over time. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about creating a beautiful and positive home, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy planting and may your homes be filled with good fortune. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.